Hi guys, and welcome to our cabin. We are cabin number 9406 on the Independence of the Seas. We are in an aft balcony this weekend. So come on in, take a look at our room. Our cabin sleeps only two. So I know a lot of times people expect the bunk to pull down, the couch to turn into a bed, but not every room type can configure that way. So you can see in our room that we are only a double occupancy cabin. More than enough space for the two of us, especially only for a 3-night sailing. So this way near the entrance is a pretty big closet, some shelving here, as well as a safe. Not big enough for a laptop, but definitely big enough for passports and cash. Tons of shelves over here, and then another hanging rack that you can pull down this way. As well as laundry service. So I know that's one of the questions that I have for our room steward is laundry service, because Royal Caribbean does not have laundry on board like Disney does, like we're so used to. So then heading this way into the bathroom. I don't know where the light is actually. Is it outside? Alright, so it's tight, but it's a cruise line bathroom, so everything that we need here. Extra cabinet space behind the mirrors. Let's check out the shower. It's actually doors rather than a curtain, which I definitely appreciate, but it's tight, so. Alright, heading in to the main area. We have a desk here, a vanity, just to kind of get ready in the morning. Again, tons of drawers, more than, I wonder what's on this one. Just like makeup and stuff. A mini fridge in here. I don't even think it's on, it's not cold at all. Television, and then a king size bed, which is awesome. And we do have like a little bit of a privacy curtain there too, if you had two people who were sharing a cabin, because this king size bed can turn into just two single beds. So you do have like that privacy curtain there if it's two people traveling together. And then this stateroom is an adjoining stateroom, so there's another family on the other side in another balcony cabin. So if we had our kids here, we wanted to do two connecting cabins, we could always do that as well. And then we have some nightstands here on the end, as well as some reading lights here. And then the reason why we picked this cabin is because we love an aft balcony. Now I know some people tend to complain about having an aft balcony and shakiness and loud noises, but we love it. We love the view. It's our favorite section to be on the ship. So we have two big lounge chairs, and then we also have a seating area with a table to kind of sit and relax. And then out here we have our view. So I want to say down there is like shared space, and then the balconies are not private. So if you're looking for like privacy, this is definitely not too private of a balcony. You can see our fellow travelers above us, you can see our travelers below us, and the partitions on each side are kind of slanted so we can see from one balcony to the next. So if you're looking for privacy, this probably would not be it. And then out there in the distance is the Wish, so we will just wave to her and plan to see her in August. Alright everybody, so that sums up our room tour here on the Independence of the Seas. Again, we're in an aft facing balcony. If you are interested in booking a cabin like this or any cabin on board Royal or any other cruise line, please follow us on Facebook, give us a shout, message us, and we'd be happy to help you. Thank you.